Beretta M9. So to take this one down, you have a takedown lever, a button that you depress on the other side, usually lock the slide to the rear. And with the left hand, depress this button, then you can push down on the takedown lever. At that point, depress the slide release, then you take the slide off. Then you have the guide rod and spring here. This is your barrel assembly. Won't come out unless you depress this here. And you can see how it slides in the slide itself. Once that's depressed, you'll be able to pop out the barrel. And I'll go back in. Once you push that down, the pin pops back out there, locks the barrel back in place. Put your spring and guide rod back in. Then you just line up the rails with the slide. Lock the slide back to the rear. Takedown lever goes back up. That's all there is to it.